reminder, it is illegal to go scrapping shopping carts. So don't go picking up shopping carts out there and try to scrap them at your local scrapyard, because they're going to call the police and you're going to get in trouble. So we were out today fixing some shopping carts for one of our local grocery stores. And when we were done, we had a bunch of carts that were beyond repair, and the grocery store gave us permission to take them to the scrapyard and sell them for scrap metal. We have handwritten letters on file from the manager of the grocery store that we present to the scrapyard, and then the scrapyard allows us to actually scrap the shopping carts. So don't try to scrap shopping carts. Just a heads up out there.
Alrighty, so we're heading out to the scrapyard today, and we are going to scrap some more shopping carts. Alright, so here we are pulling into the scrapyard. Other scrappers must look at you like you're nuts when they see like a trailer full of shopping carts.
Yeah, that's why I don't mix scrap loads and shopping cart loads, because I don't want them to get the wrong idea that anybody can do it. And I have to go in and talk to the office to let them know where it came from and to confirm I've got a letter on file.
It's not a total mud pit this time. Make our way to the back to the giant freaking tin pile. They got a huge tin pile right now. How many boxes they got in here? Yeah, right. Beautiful scrap. Coming through the little beams on the way out. You think that trailer loaded up? I love the claw. Watching the claws. Always entertaining. Well, it is a bit of a mud pit back here. Yeah. Giant shears on this excavator, cutting shears. Put that pickup truck into that frickin' giant shredder. That's awesome. get back out of this mud pit. That was cool to watch them pick up some of that shopping carts and throw them directly into the shredder. I wish I could have got an up-close shot of that shredder, like with the pickup truck that was in there originally and that. That'd be pretty awesome to record that stuff.
I was just worried about the weight of that claw on the trailer, because the trailer was really bouncing this time when he did it, but they're usually pretty careful.
Well, I was recording, so I'll always be able to play it back and see exactly what happened. I always wait for the guys in the yard to say something to me about recording.
Oh no, as long as you're not interfering.
Scale here, we'll weigh out, see what our weight was, and figure out how much we're gonna get paid. Alright, so after weighing out, we had 980 pounds of scrap. That's unbelievable. Today's price, we're at $360 a ton. And altogether, we got $176.40 for some shopping carts. I'll catch you in the next one.